Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today really excited. I got some new additions to my drift fleet. Letting the name slip out of the box, but anyways, let's get started. I went ahead and picked up two kits. As you can see, they're MSTs, so very excited about these two. The first one I'm going to start off with today is the RMX 2.0 kit with the JZ3 body, which is like a Lexus SC3 or 400, or the Toyota Soarer overseas. And then later on in this series, I was also able to snag a FXX 2.0S with the E92 BMW body, so really excited about this. Go over this in the next video, but I did want to show you my other two drift setups at the moment. This is the HSP 94123 Flying Fish. I have it on the drift setup. I did the C-hub modification for increased steering angle. This is the Red Cat Thunder Drift. It is belt driven for that smoother drive. Between the two, this one has sort of a heavier feel to it, but I know I do have this geared higher with a stronger or faster motor. These are all-wheel drives, and these two MSTs that I'm about to open up are rear-wheel drive with the crazy steering angle, because they're not limited by the dog bones or front axles. So one thing that I really was excited about was I thought that these MST kits were going to be crazy expensive, and some of them are. Depending on how deep you want to dive into it. But I was able to find this kit from Michael's RC Hobbies. I believe they're located in Florida, and I got this kit for $155.99 without tax, because I live in California. And it's cool because they're a domestic hobby shop, which I like to support. In order to hit the free shipping, I did have to, I think, spend $250 at their shop. And here's the other RC I was really excited about in order to hit that, because I've been watching these Maverick, I think it's a 1/18th scale Maverick Ion, yeah, 1/18 scale, and they do make this in different styles. They have a truggy, a desert truck, the short course truck, a rally car, buggy, all sorts of different models. I think even a monster truck. So I really wanted the rally car, but I was fortunate enough that they did have the short course truck available. So this helped me get to the shipping that I needed, and I think I ordered one other spare part. I think it was a clear body for Traxxas Slash, which I'll be painting up. But anyways, awesome deal. Also no tax, $89.99. These are not these are pretty much sold out everywhere I've been looking, so I'll have an unboxing coming up for this. But just wanted to give a shout out for Michael's RC Hobbies. Great deal on both these RCs. Again, free shipping with the amount, and no tax for California purchase. So I'm really happy about that. But anyways, I think they are sold out last I checked after I purchased this, but we can go over some specs on this car. What's cool about these kits is that if you're looking at this compared to a Tamiya, this is really cool, considering that this is a highly adjustable hobby grade, not just kit grade, but very much hobby grade RC kit. It's got the same wheelbase as Tamiya 257 with 190 millimeter, and this kit with the body included I thought was an awesome deal. because these MSTs include the ball bearings, which Tamiya TT01 and TT02 base kits do not. Um, this is I'm guessing licensed body because they were able to advertise the Toyota name and model, also the BMW. So this is in line for how much one of those kits would cost. Granted, this is a rear wheel drive, but chassis and body, you do need to provide your own electronics, but I have not taken a look into this, so let's go ahead and get this open. Enough chatter. So this is a really nice box, very high quality, which is cool. Yeah, I really like how they package, at least, you know, just how it looks right now. But Michael's Hobby, the hobby shop that I ordered this, did do a great job shipping, with shipping. So very cool. Everything pulls out with one bag in the clear body, tucked in there. And since we have it like that, I'll go ahead and set it on the box. So, as with most clear body sets, you do get the window masks for painting, and then you also get the outer stickers for the lights and license plates. Doesn't look too crazy detailed, which doesn't need to be. As you can see, just the lights. I don't see the... Oh yeah, here we go. So there we go. I got the door handles, window panels, windshield wipers, the simulated intercooler, side markers. So it's really cool. I do like that the stickers are outer, so you can just tape them on without trying to mask each section separately. Give you some extra MST stickers, and then this is the instruction manual. So this will take some time for me to get used to. So here's the tag for the clear body, and what's crazy is these bodies alone are worth about 50 plus. So that's why I think this is even more of an awesome deal, because it is the chassis plus the body. Okay, so very cool. I actually was not sure if it came with the wheels, but I'm glad to see that it's there. But you can see the tub here. Very nice. Feels flexible, but still very sturdy and stable. And here's a shot of the wheels that it comes with, and not the same design in the picture, but not a problem. Same color though. And everything comes in parts and bags kits. I have not done an MST kit yet, but I'm excited to have at it. I do love building these RCs. My favorite two kits at this point in time are the Traxxas TRX Force Sport kit, and also the G-Made Komodo double cab kit. That was also a very cool one. I've assembled a couple Tamiya TT01 and TT02 kits, which are not too bad either. You just kind of need to get into the flow yourself, but I will be jumping into this as soon as I get a window of opportunity to. But this is pretty much the parts that you receive to build this kit. And then for the rest of the body, you do get, they give you a different front bumper and light option. I do prefer the base one right here, so we'll see. Or no, I'm sorry, this is actually for if you want to hook up lights, I think. So very cool. So you will need to fit this but it's cool that they give this to you so that you can install a light system, which I actually might do uh, if I can get myself to. But also comes with the side mirrors and the spoiler. So again, I think this feels and is coming out to be a pretty high quality kit. And again, this is their base kit right here. This is a rear motor mount belt drive, rear wheel drive drifter. And the difference between the FXX, which I thought was really cool, and this was a 2.0S, so it does come with slightly more adjustability than the base model kits do. But FXX is actually a front engine to rear wheel drive chassis, which I thought was really cool as far as simulating scale goes. And it is a shaft driven versus the belt drive. I don't know what the difference or how it will be, but here you could take a look. The motor mounts straight, and then the shaft drive to the rear axle, which I think is pretty cool. And here's the RMX, which is probably I believe the most popular MST drift kit at this point, or rear wheel drive drift kit. But you can see rear motor mount. They have an upper mount and a lower mount for lower CG, or a lower center of gravity, if for just setup purposes. But it is rear motor, rear wheel drive. This was the first one I picked up because I found the deal. I was only able to find these FXX kits without the body, and they were running for over $200. I got really lucky, and a buddy of mine referred me to AsiaTees.com. I sell a bunch of RCs, including motorcycles, and they had this one on sale for $179.99, and even with the shipping, it came out to like $215, shipped, no tax, and really happy and really excited about this. So this will be I'll do an unboxing of this in the next video. And in the meantime, I'm gonna try to get this thing assembled, and it works out because I'm still waiting for my electronics setup right now, which I'm still deciding if I'm just gonna run a brushed motor or if I'm going for the censored brushless setup. But I figured because these are two very nice rear wheel drive drift kits, it would be cool to throw in a nice electronic setup in these two. Alright, but thanks for watching, and stay tuned for how these come out.